Oh, did the take profit hit? There we go. Sorry, I got a little bit excited. Here's how to set up and use Runnr to find the next 100x meme coins. Now look, down below there are chapters so you can fast forward to the sections that you want to help you navigate the video easy. Also, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Do your own research before moving in on the crypto and Web3 space. Now first up, the TLDR. Runnr is part of the Bonk ecosystem. Now the Bonk thesis is that Bonk always has its moment. Early Solana users were airdropped a bunch of money, the Bonk token, and made life-changing gains. They made one of the first Telegram bots, and people that use that ended up making a bunch of money as well. And then Let's Bonk made millionaires. So deep down, I think Runnr, being a part of the Bonk ecosystem, will have its moment in time when we see a crazy onboarding and we have that crazy Runnr. So yeah, that's kind of why I'm bullish on it and I'm bringing it to you. Now, first up, setup. There is no app just yet. It's coming out very, very soon. But basically, you download it to the home screen, and then you can sign up with your email, X account, or a wallet. Now, the wallet can be abstracted from you if you're using your X account or an email address, so that's good there. Now, you can export the wallet, and it's very smart to do so. Put it into a phantom wallet just so you've got a backup, just in case you get locked out of the app. Now, funding the wallet. If you want to go via card or whatever, you're going to have to go through with MoonPay, but that means having an account, all of that kind of stuff. Then you can also do it via a wallet, or you can transfer in some Solana directly from something like an exchange. Now I'm going to run through the navigation. You've got the wallet, the search function, the feed, the leaderboard, and then your notifications. In the wallet function, it's basically like the wallet function, what you've got, your current positions. You've got triggers. We'll touch on this shortly when we get to trading. Closed positions. These are the positions that you've just closed. Absolutely got rinsed on blind. That was a mad larp. And then the history of all of the trades. Now, when you get to search, this is the main dashboard. If you've used something like Pump Fund, use something like Axiom, something like Terminal, it's exactly like that. You've got the trending coins, which are happening right now. You've got the new coins, which is basically the new pairs that are happening. Graduating, these are the almost ones there. And then you've got the graduated pairs, which are the ones that have just graduated. Now, it's not just Pump Fund, it's all of the Solana launch pads. Now, you've also got the timeframes on the trending. You've also got all of the filters that you want to do, all of the customization that you'd come to expect from an application or a kind of stripped down version of a terminal platform. Now, when you get to the feed, this is what's happening right now from traders that are on the app. Now, each time you make a buy, you can actually do a broadcast. So you can kind of broadcast what you're doing, give a thesis, something like that. So you can see here, Poor Goat, he put in his last buy. He goes, last ad here. He's actually down $900. I lost money on this. It was a laugh. Mikey Dubs, I actually followed in on this guy, the eye emoji, and let's actually see how we're doing at the moment. We're up 35%, so we're up $6. So following Mikey trades from that. We'll go back into the feed, go down, Poor Goat. So we've got the Tef, he bought sort of $250 of nothing. He's down $100. Having a look here, you can see all the buys and sells. I actually wouldn't be moving in on this. It looks like it's lost a bit of momentum. Heading back to Claude, when you are in a chart, you can head to the About section. It's got all of the information that you want. So you can head to the Pump Fund account because this was launched on the Pump Fund Launchpad. Click on Twitter, it'll take you through to the Twitter account. You can see it's an automated bot. You can click on website, and this will take you through to the website, and that isn't working currently. Then you've got orders, which is what you've actually put through on the actual trade itself, and triggers, and we'll actually set a trigger now for you. And then you've also got broadcast, so you can see that Mikey Dubs actually did a broadcast. Head back to the chart. What we'll do is we will go sell, we'll set a trigger, we'll go a take profit, and we will put it at an additional 20% from here, sell 100%, so at 405K, we will hit a take profit. And you can see it's actually put it on the list there. So hopefully it runs up and hits that take profit. And then if we head to triggers, you can see exactly what you will get from there. So this is a step above something like a FOMO where you've actually got take profits and stop losses that you can put in place, which I think is very nice. Now, we'll come back to that shortly. Heading down here to the leaderboard. Now, you can see here, I'm currently ranked 36. I lost $44. Absolutely smoked. But you can see here last night, I was number 7, so kind of pumped there. And then you've got your notifications, which is basically your buys and sells, but also what people are buying and people that you follow. Now, heading back to the feed, you'll also see following up here. This is where you can start to follow people that you like their trades, similar to something you would see on FOMO or like Pump Fun. So Mikey Dubs, I'm kind of liking what he's doing. Hit follow. There we go. We can follow him. With a guy like the Tef7, I'm already following him, but it's also got his X account, so you can head through and see what he's doing. You can see his Runnr link there. Refbot shilling that, trying to make some money. And you can see his thesis here on No Limit. Another addition onto this feed is when you're actually in a chart, you can see who's buying and who's selling. You can see all of the different buys and sells that people have made. You can see my buys here. You can see where people are averaging in. This is very similar to what you'd see in something like Terminal or when you put a bunch of trackers into an Axiom, a Photon, a Bullex, that kind of thing, which is really nice. So that's an overview on how to use Runnr. Now, where does this, oh, did the take profit hit? There we go. Yeehaw. How much did we make there? Sorry, I got a little bit excited. What do we do? In 19 bucks, up 10 bucks, baby. Okay, cool. Pumped. Okay. So where does this, so yeah, I just made 10 bucks while we were making this video. So where does Runnr fit into the ecosystem? I see Runnr as fitting in between FOMO and Pump Fun. Pump Fun is the pump fun degenerate gambling that you get. Every runner on Pump Fun will be on FOMO, but every runner on FOMO won't be on Pump Fun. I see this as that middle ground where you're getting a culmination of all the different launch pads. You're getting the technology that you would see with something like Pump Fun, but it's a little bit more elegant like you would get with FOMO. Now, they haven't released the app yet, but the app's coming out very soon, so it should be a little bit slicker and it should work well. So, but you're thinking, should I trade on FOMO? Should I trade on Runnr? What should I do? Well, basically, Runnr has way less fees than FOMO. FOMO charges 95 cents per trade. This, on Runnr, you'll be basically charged 10 cents for a trade on $10, so much less. On Runnr, you can get cash back on your trades if you do some of those trades. On Runnr, it's easy to trade those pre-bonded tokens, so those in the migrating tab, but you can get rugged. And if you're a content creator, shameless shill here, there are better referral fees on it as well. So even if you're not a trader and you're a content creator and you actually want to just make content around it, there's a bunch more. FOMO's around 10%, Runnr is around 20%. So there is that. And it's still early, so you can get in early and then hopefully be at the top of that pyramid. Hopefully you can refer someone like Frank and then he can make some money and then you can make even more money. So yeah, that's Runnr, how to set up, how to use it, all of that good stuff, and just how easy it is to make a little bit of money. If you enjoyed the video, go down there, drop some love, all of that good stuff. Use the link down below if you want. It'll help out the channel, all that good stuff. I had a pleasure making this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.